Hello, my name is Alain Tello Robledo, founder of AtelTrainer. Let me introduce you to Fitness Zen. In this playlist, you can watch the video titled Fitness Zen Express, an example of a 10 to 15 minute session designed to release tension throughout the body and relax the mind. The other videos in this playlist are short. I hope that will inspire you to exercise in a healthy way. Fitness Zen is a fusion of ancient techniques from China, India, and Japan, adapted to our times and our needs. What primarily sets Fitness Zen apart from modern sports and disciplines such as yoga, Pilates, etc., is that it is practiced solely based on feeling and intuition. There are no rules to follow. There is no perfection to achieve. There are no asanas to perform. The goal is simply to help the body and mind get what they need to live fully. There are no external goals to achieve, only motivating and restorative inner sensation, self-knowledge, union with oneself. We do not push past physical or mental limits to make progress through willpower and external goals. The will to live freely, in good health and in peace is enough. Sacrifices made to achieve goals set by others or to gain recognition are not beneficial in the long term, and they force the mind to ignore the body's limits and needs, thereby contributing to wear and tear and injuries to muscles and joints, among other issues. Fitness Zen does not place excessive strain on the muscle and skeletal system, as it does not exceed muscular or joint limits, which makes it possible to maintain a healthy lifestyle over the very long term. Letting go through a long sigh helps release those limits so you don't feel threatened. This helps the body not perceive the stretches as a threat. The short Fitness Zen video performed by Chantal and Maciel, accompanied by my comments at the end of each one, will guide you in performing the correct techniques with the right open attitude. But it's up to you alone, based on your own sensation and consistent practice, to determine the intensity, the number of sets, and the range of motion of the exercises. To help you intuitively and sensitively tune into your needs, the transcendental and universal knowledge that belongs to each one of us will guide you. You will find everything you need on the website AtelTrainer.com, notes, articles, free videos, and books, as well as a free online pre-treatment that can heal you and set you free, if necessary. I wish you all the best. A transcendental union hug for you. We are Alain Tello Robledo, AtelTrainer.